Good morning students. Today we discuss about the single source shortest path with the help of the Dijkstra's algorithm, and then technique is greedy technique. Because this is an optimization problem, whenever you can go for the minimization with the help of that optimization, you can go through the greedy method to find the shortest path. Here there are n number of vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8 vertices is there. Always the graph G equal to vertices comma edges, Now here there is no direction, it's an undirected graph. Undirected graph with weights. Listen, graph irukku, but there is no direction to 1 to 2. Suppose the 1 to 2 traveling time is 20:55 and then 2 to 1 is again 55. There is no direction from the, it's a bidirection, it's called as an undirected graph. Both the values are acting the same pattern. Now we taken the city, these vertices are called as cities, these lines are called as a highway. We consider as our real time example for that. This is a city, you can move one city to another city, it will have some highway length. You can find the minimum length and after that you can choose the minimum path. Now, here I draw the empty graph. Now we can start from the source 1. Source equal to 1. Now I starts from the 1, you can choose you can visit 2, you can visit 3, you can visit 4. You can suppose one city 1 la irundha 2 poradhukku the weight is 55. Where edavadhu another way irukanu paarenga 1 la irundha 2 ku varadhukku vera edavadhu minimum cost irukanu paarenga. Suppose nam 4 valiya vandana enna agum 45 plus 20 enna agudhu 65, 60 plus or 5 70, 70 plus 5 it will go for the 130. Then you can leave it as it is. Directly you can move with the 1 to 55. The node number 2 is 55. Next, here you can write it the path and then weight WA. Path. Here 1 comma 2 is 55. Now I go to 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is 25. இப்போ 1 ல நான் 3 க்கு போணும், வேற ஏதாவது பாசிபிள் வேஸ் இருக்கா பாருங்க, மினிமம் வே கிடையாது. அப்போ டைரக்ட்லி யூ கேன் டேக் வித் த 1 to 3. நெக்ஸ்ட் 1 to 2 4 க்கு நான் டிராவல் ஆகணும். சப்போஸ் இன்டைரக்ட் நோட் வேறனா வழியா போய் 4 க்கு போக முடியுமான்னு பாருங்க, முடியாது. பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் ஹேவிங் த 45, rest of the having the maximum element. Now you can directly go with the 1 comma 4 45. Now you can reach 2 3 4. Within that you can travel from 2 to 5. 2 la irundhu 5 varadhukku parunga, the value should be 5. Before that you can calculate the 55 also, because you can travel from 1 to 2 to 5. appo enna agudhu value parunga 55 plus 5 60. Suppose nanu 3 vadiya vandanna paakalam, 25 plus 40 65. Next 4 vadiya 45 plus 20 65. Which one is minimum? I will take from the intermediate node 2. 1 comma 2 comma 5 is 55 plus 5 60. Next, now I reached the value as 5. In the 5 la irundhu vera node ku na poganum. 5 la irundhu you can choose one direction, whether it may be 7 or it may be 6. Which one is minimum? இப்போ 1 ல இருந்து 7 க்கு வரணும்னு வைங்க, Which one is minimum path? Whether you can come with 4, 5 and then 7, or you can come with 1, 3 or 4, or you can come back with 1, 2, 5 and then 15. Which one is minimum? Better I will take this minimum. 55 plus 5, 60, 60 plus 15, 75. Now I move with the 7, 15, 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 7 is 75. Here you can see 55, 60, 70, 75. Now I write the weight of the total. Now I reached the value as 7. Within that 7 you can move from the 8 or you can move from the 6. அப்போ 1 ல இருந்து நான் 6 க்கு வரணும்னா the shortest path கண்டுபிடிங்க. Whether you can travel from 4, 8, 7 or 6, or it may be 1, 3, 5 or 6, or 1, 2, 5, 7, 6. Which one is minimum? I will go for the 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 6. Total is 85. 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 7 comma 6 is 85. Next, now I reached the 6 is 10. Next one, the remaining part is 8. இப்போ நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிக்க 1 sourceலேருந்து 8 ரீச் ஆகணும்னா which one is minimum path? Whether I can travel from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 எல்லாத்தையும் ட்ராவல் பண்ணிட்டு போகிறது பெட்டரா, இல்லை டைரெக்டாக ஒரு 4லேருந்து 8க்கு போகலாமா? சப்போஸ் நான் 4லேருந்து 8க்கு போகிறேன் பாருங்கள், 1 to 4, 4 to 8, the value should be 75. 75 வரும். சப்போஸ் நான் 2 வழியாக போகிறேன்னு வைங்க, 55, 60, 75, இங்கே ஒரு 50, எவ்வளோ ஆகுது? 220, sorry 120. Which one is minimum? Better you can travel from 1 to 4 and then 4 to 8. That's all. 1 comma 4 comma 8 is, the value is 40, 50, 70, 75. Sorry, I missed this one. 4, here I will put 45. In this one, 30. Now you can see the graph. This is the shortest path. You can travel from one city to another city with help of that minimum cost. That's why it's called optimization method. Within that optimization method, we can use the greedy technique. GT. Now we can see the graph. This graph is called as undirected graph. Within that graph, we can solve the problem with the help of that greedy method to find the shortest path. 1 is the source and then 2 is the destination. Likewise the same, 1 is the source and then 5 is the destination. You can cross the 2 via 2. 1 is the source and then 6 is the destination. You can cross 2, 5, 7. We can get the minimum value as 85. Now this is called a single source shortest path. Okay, thank you.